What I'm gonna do is I'm going to make these look cartoon.
Cartoon? No way! How are you gonna do that, Michelle?
Let me tell you. Hi everybody, welcome to the Art Club Online. My name is Michelle, if you're here for the first time. And today I'm gonna be doing something I've never done before because I like to do that kind of thing here on the Art Club with you guys. I like to try, right?
Right.
This is Len. He's hiding.
Hello!
What voice is that? Hello.
Hello! I can't tell you, but it's a guy I know. And
You want a chair?
I do that voice a lot.
Do you want a chair while I explain?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so this one's bad. You probably shouldn't use this. It's like, it's lost all of its welding underneath.
Okay.
And I'm not a welder.
But you could try.
Let's try.
This
I'm blind.
This week on the Art Club, we're gonna weld.
I have this thing with shoes, always. And
Where did you find my shoes?
I don't think even half your foot would fit in these. But
They're
these
not
are
my shoes.
these are my original crappy old white shoes from, I'm not gonna say where they're from. I don't know where. From nowhere. Anyways, they're a crappy old pair of shoes. So I thought they would be the perfect pair to try this on. If you want to try customizing a pair of shoes, especially the way I'm gonna do it, don't use your best Jordans that have never been creased.
And get your parents' permission.
Especially if you're gonna do their shoes. So what I'm gonna do with this shoe,
I just heard that.
you just paying attention to your own gorgeous face. He can't stop looking at his own eyes. Okay, what I'm gonna do is a simple kind of a modification. And modifying shoes is like really in right now. I got these shoes, I took off the laces, and the laces unfortunately are really dirty. But I didn't have time to wash and dry them before doing this. But I also have to use these. Stop. I have to use these laces because I couldn't find any others. And I looked everywhere in the house. But you know what? If you want to do this, you could just buy new laces. And if you want the project to be really good, that will be much, much better. The way that you do this is you see all the seams and the lines.
Mm-hmm.
So we're just going to draw over those. I think. That's what it looks like they do. What?
I saw Hunter crawling past in the background.
Oh. Anyways. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. And I will throw these in the trash if they turn into trash after I'm done. Because I don't care about these shoes. I don't know what's going to happen. But maybe they'll be my new favorite shoes. Okay, so I just have to cut off some of these threads because these were really cheap shoes. There's the first one. Looks pretty cool. It will look a lot more cartoony with laces in. Let's do the next one. I'm trying to rub alcohol on this first. Maybe that's not the right thing to use, but it feels like there's some sort of a film on here. I'm sure there is. But it's kind of not letting my Sharpie work right. Kind of ruining the Sharpie, so maybe I should use some nail polish remover. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Okay, so this part is really weird, and I don't know if there's another method to this, but look, see, like I gotta make the lace look like a cartoon by putting a line on either side. Oops, and it's so easy to go off. Oh man, just messed up. I think I'm getting all, yeah, I'm getting all full of Sharpie. This part's really important because without the laces looking this way, it doesn't quite look as cartoony. But see, this is where new laces would be a really good idea, because look, this is all twisted up and stretched out. Also, just to let you guys know, this is not a pro shoe modification video. Like, I looked up I looked on the internet for some ideas before I started this, and like for shoe modification, and oh my gosh, like, it's serious business. There are people modifying shoes so beautifully. I was like blown away. So these are my cartoon shoes. I like them. Actually, I think I might wear these, you know? They actually look like cartoons. I don't know how long they'll last with the Sharpie, especially if they get wet at all. They'll probably be smudging all over the place. But I read somewhere online that if you do Sharpie your shoes, then you'll just have to touch them up often. So I don't know how often I'll wear them, but I think they're cool. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think my shoes are cool or trash? Either way, I didn't lose anything by trying, and I think I got some pretty cool shoes out of the deal. Whoop whoop. If you haven't yet, then you can subscribe to the Art Club online to become a member, and if you would like to see more videos like this one, of course. So yeah, comment below, and if you have any specific requests for episodes, then let me know in the comments. I thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time right here.